good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Oh my gosh, it's a Saturday morning and we're about to do a cleanup with me in preparation for Christmas. As you guys can see, my sitting room is pretty messy. Like, look at the dining area, like everywhere is messy and dusty. So I woke up very early this morning. I had to wake Fortune up. Fortune, say hi. She's still very sleepy. So I had to wake her up as the kids are still sleeping so we could clean up before they wake up. You know, once they wake up, they don't pack one corner. Begin they find food. Begin they answer mommy 100 times. Before they start shouting, mommy, I want this, mommy, I want that. Let's see how we can clean up the sitting room. I wanted to start from room, but since they are sleeping, I wouldn't want, them to inhale any dust. So let me just try to clean up the parlor, then enter the rest of the place. I'm sure before I finish cleaning up the parlor, they would wake up. So let's watch me clean up. If you're new to this channel, please don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, as for this month, you're going to be seeing me every day by God's grace. So yeah, let's get cleaning.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty, who's nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping.
job. That's it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good job, baby. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of gold. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found. Oh, when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it,
Z for zebra. Good job, baby.
One for one.
Y for yacht.
One for one.
And Z for zebra. Good job, baby.
in Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, whoa, you got my sleigh tonight. Then how the reindeers loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ting-ting-a-ling-a-ling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
So I think this comes out as a natural and just naturally creates
Yeah, wait.
without even trying. So
Wakey,
I'm
wakey. Wakey, wakey.
I think it
Wakey, wakey.
different
Wakey, wakey.
There's while I was studying, I was also able to explore there's such in a weird way. That side is a bit more Eurocentric, so I think there was more of a need.
Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. So lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow,
Yeah,
let
okay.
it snow.
Okay.
Finally kissed goodbye. How I hate
Well done, baby girl. Well done, baby girl. this one? See fortune inside here. Can you just imagine? Where is my baby? Are you not supposed to be carrying baby? Have you finished washing plates? Well done, baby. I'll say bye-bye. Good job, baby girl. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo-boo-boo-boo.
This here to save me from tears. I'll give it to someone special. I'll have a blue.
And the